It's day 9 in the 12 days of cone trees, and I feel like I'm seeing stars. These are star beads that I picked up at Michael's. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to make bracelets out of these, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make a Christmas cone tree with mine. Bottom row. I'm just going to stick these on with what I would call the legs facing down and the arms facing out, and just continue all the way around until the first row is completely done. Next, I'm going to make a pyramid shape by applying 2 more beads on top of the first row and then another one to form the third row. And then I added a single bead in the space between the 2 pyramids all the way around the cone. And just a note that I changed the direction of the beads on every alternate row. I'm adding another single bead which makes a diamond shape above the pyramid. Continue this on all 4 sections. Just continue this pattern, alternating beads, until you reach the top of the cone. And of course, we can't forget about the star on the top of the tree. Now that we've completed the construction, it's time to add some color. The original color was silver, but I didn't like it, so I changed it to blue. But keep in mind, you can paint yours any color that you like. Here's what it looks like before I've added any embellishments. Let's find some embellishments, shall we? What to choose, what to choose? I think pearls. This is what I consider to be the fun part. These beads are perfect for adding a pearl. When attaching your pearls to the star beads, make sure that the stringing holes are not facing out, and if they end up facing out, just tuck them off to the side. And that, my friends, is another cone tree completed. See you next time.